To get started learning Python, we're going to use an online program called Repl.it. It's free, so you can just start coding. However, if you want to save what you create, you're going to need to sign up. To sign up, you just need a username that you create, an email, and a password. And if you already have an account, you can log in. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard, your home screen. On the left-hand side, you have how you can navigate through Repl. All of your files that you create will live in the My Repls. As you can see, I don't have any. Each week, we'll get you started with some starter code from the Marin Makerspace account. So let's go find that account. At the top, I'm going to type in @MarinMaker. That brings me to the Makerspace Repl account, and I can see all the different files that they have created. So we're going to start with Hello World. And when you click on that file, if I want to copy it to my account that I just made, I need to fork it. So at the top, you're going to click Fork. That changed it from Marin Maker to my username. And if I go to my username and I go to my Repls, you can see now I have Hello World in there. Once here, if you decide that you don't want it anymore, or you want to move it, or you want to see its history, you can click on those three buttons and it gives you a variety of options here. So let's go ahead and click on it. And inside, this hashtag is a comment. So there's no code, active code that's running. This is a comment, and it's an instruction telling us what to do. So we want to print Hello World to the screen. So print is a built-in function in Python. So if I start typing print, and then I add parentheses, it tells us how to use this function. So I'm going to use quotation marks to type in Hello World, and then I'll hit run. And it printed out Hello World to the screen. And we just created our first program.